In today's video, we will show you 5 things to know before you go traveling to New York. 1. Using the subway. The subway is a great choice if you're in New York. The yellow taxis often are extremely expensive and in fact, always get stuck in horrific traffic. A $40 journey could in fact only cost you $3. This is something you could look into as it could save you some serious money and be more efficient. 2. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you are in need of help, don't be worried. It is a common thing to find officers around New York. They know the city better than most locals, so it's something you shouldn't be afraid of doing. 3. Go to local restaurants, not chain restaurants. When you're in need of some good food, get yourself on Google Maps and Yelp to find restaurants, cafes and much more. Find yourself some tasty food, but do try and make sure it's a local restaurant. If you find yourself eating at chains all the time, it could soon add up and cost you far more money. On different sites you can select price points. Take a look into this so you can plan your food adventures. 4. Get up nice and early. Like any holiday, it's key to wake up early. Especially over here in New York City, it's essential that you get most of your time. It's such a busy place in general, the morning time could be your quiet adventure out. Make sure it counts. 5. Safety in New York. It's mind-blowing the number of officers you will see. Heavily armed officers in crowds and so much more was intimidating. With this said, at least we all know people are watching over us. Overall, New York is a fairly safe destination,